Water is essential for life, and staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining optimal health and performance. When it comes to workouts, hydration is even more critical, as even a small drop in hydration levels can significantly affect your performance. In this video, we'll explore the power of hydration and how drinking water can improve your workouts and overall health. First, let's look at the impact of dehydration on your body during workouts. Dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, and even muscle cramps. It can also decrease your endurance and power output, making it harder to push through your workout. When you're dehydrated, your heart has to work harder to pump blood, which can lead to a faster heart rate and higher perceived exertion. On the other hand, when you're adequately hydrated, you'll feel more energized, focused, and alert during your workouts. You'll be able to push harder and longer, which can lead to better results in the long run. Proper hydration can also help your body recover more quickly after your workout, reducing soreness and stiffness. But it's not just about improving your workouts. Drinking water can have a significant impact on your overall health. Water helps regulate your body temperature, flush out toxins, and maintain healthy organ function. It also keeps your skin looking healthy and glowing, and can even help prevent headaches. Drinking water can also aid in weight loss. When you're dehydrated, your body can mistake thirst for hunger, causing you to eat more than you need. Staying hydrated can help reduce hunger and increase metabolism, which can lead to weight loss over time. So, how much water should you be drinking? The general rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses of water per day, but this can vary depending on your age, gender, and level of physical activity. A good way to gauge your hydration levels is by checking the color of your urine. If it's pale yellow, you're likely hydrated, but if it's dark yellow or amber, you may need to drink more water. In conclusion, the power of hydration is clear. Drinking water can improve your workouts, help you maintain optimal health, and aid in weight loss. So, make sure to always have a water bottle with you and stay hydrated throughout the day. Remember, the power of hydration is in your hands. Drink up and reap the benefits. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel to support our work. See you on the next video.